What's up, Facebook and YouTube? This is Cowboy Sweet Peas in the skid steer. This is going to put us over the top to help the rest of the families. We're finishing up the day. There'll be more videos to come. We got all this metal, and we're doing a little bit of cleanup. Here's we already turned in one metal bin. There's a second one, and by today that second one will be filled again. But thanks to Liz and Tony for calling us out and letting us get all the metal and allowing us to help them clean up the property they just got. And just wanted to take a minute to kind of show you what's going on. We'll be doing another video here shortly. So thanks, guys. If you have anything like this where you need big metal picked up, I can always rent the skid steer again. Thanks to Southern Rental Systems. This video will be cross post between YouTube and Facebook. Thank you.